Hi everybody, welcome back. Today we're looking at my build of the Revell 69 Mustang Super CJ. Well, I've been looking for the right Mustang kit, and I was at a flea market at our local hobby center recently and saw this kit. It's used. It's been opened and all the parts are off the sprues, but I checked them over. I think everything's there. Packaged everything up so I wouldn't lose any of the smaller parts. So I'm thinking of doing this one. And looking forward to that. I haven't done a Mustang yet, and I thought this one looked pretty good. I found these pictures on the internet. This is the color and the look that I'm going for in this build. Well, I've made a bit of a start on the Mustang. I've got some Rust-Oleum 2X black primer on the chassis, on the engine bay, on the back of the hood, and on the bottom of the interior tub. And I've got the tires ready to go. I've cleaned them up. I've black washed the wheel covers, and I've painted the wheel backs. I've got the Ford blue on the engine. Just brush painted it on the engine and on the air cleaner cover. I've got a few other small engine parts here in black primer, and that's where I'm at now, and continue on with the engine and the engine parts painting. I've got a little bit of the detail painting done. On the chassis I've got the gas tank and some of the steering linkages done in silver and gunmetal, and on the drivetrain and suspension I've got that in gunmetal, and the exhaust systems I've got that in silver and red, and the air cleaner cover in the engine blue. Just a second, I'll get the turntable out and show the engine details. Here's the Mustang 428 Cobra engine, all detail painted. For the interior, I took a combination of the Folk Art Camel and the Craftsmart Vanilla, thinned it down a little bit to lighten it up a bit, and painted the inside of the tub with that color, and then brush painted the black on the floor and the console, and on the dash I airbrushed some Stynylrez black primer on the dash and detail painted that, and the seats in that camel vanilla mixture, and the inside of the car, the roof and the side panels. So now I just have to remask it and paint the exterior body parts. For that I'm going to be using this paint I found here, Craftsmart. It's a French wine, sort of a reddish brown, that I remember seeing the Mustangs in those days. I'm really happy with the way the interior came out. I got the wood trim on there and the chrome detailing. I got the steering wheel also painted up to look like wood. And the wheels are together, other parts are painted and ready to go together. So we're heading down the home stretch now, just getting the body done. So here's the interior tub, detailed and completed. I'll put a couple of pictures to show a little bit better the inside. Lighting's not as good at the moment here. And I've got the body done in that Craftsmart French wine. And that came out pretty good. I got one coat of Future brushed on it. I get the tape off and start putting parts together and finishing it up. It came out nicely as well.